Okay, I'm going to give you a quick teacher view of how to check for a posted Google Forms assignment. So I'm going to go to Classwork, and I see the assignment here, Classify Matter, and I see that it's the Google Forms assignment. There's only one turned in because I've only assigned it to one student. So when I open it up, I'll see that this student here has turned it in, and the grade section is still blank because I need to import grades. I am going to import the grade. So after I've imported the grade, you'll see that it shows now the student got a 40 out of 100, and you have imported the grade. So if you want to, at this point, send it back to them, maybe you want them to work on it again, you can press the dots right here, 3 dots, and click return, and it will send it back to the student, and they'll have a chance to redo the work.